You know, we're gonna try to make them work. But so yeah, please subscribe, comment, make sure to check out the YCDG merch. I always forget to say that, but yes, I've had merch for a long time. Down in the description. It's in like the middle. But yeah, go ahead and check that out. It supports the channel, makes everything a lot better. But yeah, so we're gonna go get some new rear sets installed, new tires, and maybe new levers. Let's get this shit, boy. Finally got some nice riding weather. Put insurance back on my motorcycle. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped. I am pretty hyped. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to the homie's shop right now. He is gonna change the tires for me and then help me install the rear sets because I've never installed these kind of rear sets. So it's gonna be nice, get a little bit of help. Yeah, feels good. Back on the 750. Brake. So that is what we're doing right now. We are going to the shop. I hope my mic's plugged in. That would be annoying. Oh shit. What am I doing? I'm fucking it up. Alright, well, hopefully the mic's plugged in. If not, that'll be depressing. If you guys hear that, that is my hoodie. I'll play music. I'll catch you guys boys in a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. I should have tied that. That's annoying.